under the Constitution of India, which one of the following is not a fundamental duty? To vote in public elections, to develop a scientific temper, to safeguard public property, to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals. Answer in front of the screen comes now. A. By the way, I should mention, congratulations, we are now finished with Directive Principles of State Policy, and now we are moving towards the chapter on fundamental duties. Part 4A of the Constitution of India. See, when it comes to this chapter on fundamental duties, right, I should mention this. Article 51A. Now, there are a couple of concepts in this. When were they added? Are they enforceable? Why did Indira Gandhi ji add this? When were they added? The emergency, the proclamation, etc., etc. 42nd Amendment. We'll do them one by one, okay? I won't explain the concept. We'll do them one by one when the question arises. Okay, under the Constitution, which one of the following is, I told you earlier as well, operative part of the question, kindly underline, gola, encircle. Always helpful. It's quicker when you revise them. Also, you want to check your answers, right? By the way, so Article 51A, it states, the title is fundamental duties, okay? It states further, it shall be the duty of every citizen of India to, now there, please remember, A to K. Oh good lord, that's bad. That does not even look like a K, my god, how bad am I writing? K. Does that look like a K? Not caps, but in small. A to K. So how many are these? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. 11. So we have total of 11 FDs. Okay, answer is A. To develop a scientific temper, I think this comes into which one? This is also a fundamental duty, no? This definitely is scientific. H, develop a scientific temper. H, to safeguard public property. I, abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals. A. To vote in public elections, this is no way mentioned in the chapter on fundamental duties. Okay? No need to worry about it. Quite simple one. Let's move on. You can quickly jot it down, give you 10 seconds. When the annual budget is not passed in the Lok Sabha, this came in 2011, the budget is modified and presented again. The budget is referred to the Rajya Sabha for selection. The Union Finance has to resign. The Prime Minister submits the resignation to the Council of Ministers. The answer is D. You should also write down one thing. If money bill not passed, it leads to a no confidence motion. If no confidence motion passes, PM and Council of Ministers resign and government falls. The difference between voter account and interim budget. The provision of voter account is usually by a regular government, while interim budget is by a caretaker government. Okay. Voter account only deals with expenditure, etc., etc. Now, guys, 2 is correct, 1 is wrong, because an interim budget can be passed by caretaker government and a regular government. The interim budget can be passed by anyone. All incumbent, regular, caretaker, whatever, it doesn't matter.